Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Fubbles bubble machine. First, let's get it ready for action. You'll need 3 or 4 fresh alkaline batteries, typically AA or AAA, and a small Phillips head screwdriver. Carefully open the battery compartment, usually on the side or bottom, and insert the batteries, paying close attention to the positive and negative markings. Remember, using new alkaline batteries ensures the best performance and avoids issues. Now that your machine has power, it's time for Bubbles. Many Fubbles machines feature a convenient no-spill design. Simply unscrew the bubble solution bottle or the machine's base and pour in your favorite Fubbles bubble solution. Make sure the solution level is high enough to cover the bubble-making wands or tubes. Then, securely reattach the bottle or base, flip the power switch to on, and get ready for a cascade of bubbles. To keep your Fubbles machine blowing strong, proper care is key. After each play session, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. You can do this by filling the reservoir with warm water and running the machine for about 2 or 3 minutes. This helps flush out any sticky residue. Always wipe the exterior with a damp cloth, but never submerge the entire unit. For long-term storage, remove the batteries to prevent any potential damage. Sometimes, a little troubleshooting can get the fun flowing again. If your machine isn't blowing bubbles, first check that the batteries are fresh and correctly installed. Also, confirm that there's enough bubble solution to cover the wands. It can take up to 45 seconds for bubbles to begin after turning it on. For the most impressive bubble output, we recommend using Fubbles brand bubble solution. Enjoy countless hours of bubbly fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.